The World Health Organization recommends exclusive breastfeeding up to the age of 6 months of life. You may have been formula feeding instead of breastfeeding, and it's the same thing. Up to 6 months of life, the milk should be the primary source of food. After this age, you may see signs that your baby is ready to start on solid foods. And these include things such as the baby being able to sit upright unsupported. They may start grabbing things and bringing them to the mouth themselves. They have lost their extrusion reflex, which is the tongue reflex whereby they push food out of their mouth. They may also have started to show an interest in your food and indeed try and grab it from you when you are eating in the presence of your baby. As always, do follow the advice of your pediatrician if they have any special recommendations for you.